Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got another RCI-63FFD4. We're going to do a tune-up report for Dave in Rhode Island. Dave had me put an amp switch right here in the middle. So that's off, and we got the power turned all the way down. Alright, so let's take a look over here. 10 watts on the top scale there. Coming in just a little under 1. If I turn it all the way up, just a little under 5. Peak power. Audio. On. And that's it for low power. Now I'm going to push that button in, and we'll take this out and put this 500 watt slug in. And I'm turning the power back all the way down again. So now we're still looking at 10 watts up there, but now with the power all the way down, we got 8. And if I put it on a 100 watt scale now on the top, turn my volume down, and turn it all the way up, we get 80. Okay, so on this 500 slug, 200, 300, 400 right there. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Alright, there you go. And that's with the amp switch on and off, variable on, all the way down, all the way up. Got it all. Okay. Now on the antenna. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check? Hello.
About 15, anybody out there give me a radio check today? Hello, come in.
I'm going to try one more time. How about a radio check out there at 19? Hello?
Sounds good, bud.
Thank you, man. Thank you.